Hello world, welcome back to my channel. My name's Paul. We're in Peshawar. This is my hotel here, the Destination Heritage. But today we're heading back towards Lahore, and as usual, Libby's attracted a crowd. Hello, salam alaikum. Yes, so I'm going to hit the road. It took me 2 days to get here, but I'm really sore, guys, after that month off, so it might take me 3 days to get back. We'll see how I feel, but it's a lovely cool day to be riding. And goodbye, my friends. Well, guys, I've been to some sketchy places around the world, Colombia, Paraguay, a few other places. People ask me, oh my God, how did you go there? But I can tell you, apart from just things yesterday, which I was worried about for no reason, Peshawar, I've got no problem coming here. I wouldn't come here as a green traveller, but if you're a traveller used to sorting things, come and check out Peshawar, guys. Friendly, happy people, amazing food. The kebab I had yesterday was probably the best kebab I've had. Really good. Well, I've got the 2 hour sore butt. Today I've got it in an hour and a half. That's alright, guys, I'm due to get some fuel. Next fuel station I'll stop, give my butt a bit of a rest. Then Islamabad adds miles to my trip, but I left a pair of glasses at my hotel at the Grand Peace Hotel. So I've only got one pair of reading glasses. If I lose them, I'm in trouble. So I am going to take that, go that extra, I don't know, it might even be an extra 50 kilometres, I'm not sure, but I am going to go into Islamabad, get my glasses. And more amazing Pakistani hospitality. I just stopped for petrol and the boss of the service station's invited me into his office for a cup of chai. Oh yeah, guys, and it was just perfect timing. Like I said before, my butt was getting a bit sore. It was a good time to have a rest. And these young guys, they're his workers, just come in to see what the camera's about and what I'm doing. Everyone here, look at the smile on this guy's face. Everyone's so happy in Pakistan, it's amazing. Thank you, guys. Thank you for the cup of tea. Shukriya. And goodbye. Bye, man. Well, guys, bumped into a couple more overlanders. They've come from Netherlands through the stands and China, down through northern Himalayan. Yes. Itchy Boots, another Dutch person, yes.
Yeah, exactly.
She's actually in India now, I think.
Yeah, I think so. Yeah. We saw the last video yesterday.
Okay. It's always fun having someone else to ride with. For a change. They're heading into Islamabad as well. So I'm going to go and pick up my glasses, and then they've got my WhatsApp and things, so I'll meet them in Lahore. They're just getting visas for India. They're getting the Overland visas because they couldn't get an e-visa like I got, so they've got to get one every time they enter the country. We're back in Sector 7. So see if you can send me some luck back here through time again. Cross your fingers, because if they've got a room here, I'm going to stop, have dinner with that Dutch couple. But I'm pretty sure they're fully booked. So cross your fingers for me, guys. Send it back in time. I'm a bit butt sore. Well, guys, when I went to pick up my glasses, they had a room vacant for the night, so I decided to book in. You know what I'm like, I get a bit lazy at times. And we're back at Quetta chai. Have some paratha with Stefan and Martine. Yes, I remember. There's the first, guys. And back at Luke Damant's Quetta Chai. Here's all the guys again. Yeah, delicious. I love coming here. Really good food. Well, guys, I woke up this morning. I was bombed. I figured I'm not due back in Lahore for a couple of days. Sunday today, I've got nothing till Wednesday, so I've got plenty of time to get back. My hotel here is cheaper than the one in Lahore, so I booked for another day. It's lunchtime, I haven't moved. I'm bombed, guys, really. After having that month off, and then I haven't stopped since. So right now I'm back at Quetta Chai, having some more paratha. Probably have barbecue for dinner, but hungry for lunch. And after I've eaten, we'll go for a bit of a wander. I'll show you around this area. There's a bit to see, I think. Cheese paratha and Pakistani chai. That'll wake me up. I had one about 3 o'clock in the afternoon a while ago, and it kept me awake all night. So, yeah. Oh, what a day, guys. Yeah, I've been here 10 days. I haven't really stopped in that 10 days, so it's no wonder it's just caught up with me today. What a place to be. Relaxing though, guys. Oh, I'm stuffed. That was good. And I don't know if you remember in my last video, guys, but I told you, those of you who don't know Luke Damant, travel with Luke Damant. He's a young Australian kid that's just gone crazy. His YouTube over the last few years, he's a very successful young man, a very intelligent young man. He's done very, very well on YouTube. I first found his videos because he did a hitchhiking challenge with some other people I was watching, and they started in Islamabad, I think, and they finished just here where Libby's parked. And that's when he first had the cheese paratha. So he's made them quite famous. He's really done well for that shop, so good on you, Luke. But yeah, this little part of Sector 7 is quite a thriving little place, and it's about 1 o'clock in the afternoon, so it's quiet now, but night time this place is packed. All sorts of restaurants here. There's a barbecue place just upstairs here that it's got amazing ratings, but when I came here before it wasn't open, so I went to one round this side because there's a little park down here and a little walkway, and the one down here you can sit outside, so that's become my favourite barbecue in Islamabad because it's really good, really, really good. And, you can sit outside here. I never feel comfortable being stuck inside a restaurant. But yeah, that's probably where we'll go for dinner this evening. Yeah, guys, this is, I'm glad I had today off. I didn't realise how tired I was until I've been watching TV for an hour or two. And if I'd ridden today, I wouldn't have felt tired on the bike. I would have, because I'm concentrating so much, I wouldn't have felt tired at all, but my brain wouldn't have been there. So yeah, it's lucky that I didn't. It was a good choice. Janet actually convinced me. She said, just take the day off, you've got nothing to do. And I said, oh no, I want to get a couple of hours down the road. But then my body told me, no, take the day off. So here we are, wandering around Sector 7 in Islamabad. And guys, in case you don't remember from the last Islamabad video, I'm staying at the Grand Peace Guest House, really good, about $20 US a night. You look for this 13B here, and then it's the little driveway, heads up here. The guard's already got the gate open, he's wondering what I'm doing. But yeah, and inside here, really nice, guys, good breakfast, nice people, comfy rooms, like big room. I've got one with a big double bed and a single bed, but the other rooms, one of them's got 3 big double beds in it. So yeah, really nice hotel, guys. I'm going to go inside and be lazy again. maybe do a bit of editing, but God, I'm bombed. I haven't been this bombed since night shift. When I was doing night shift, I don't think so. That's a few years back. Well guys, I really needed that day off. Lazy day. I feel much more refreshed now. But I do have plenty of footage to make a video, so if you haven't subscribed yet, hit that Mad Dog logo up there or the subscribe button down below. May as well hit that bell icon while you're down there. I always try and respond to your comments, so leave a comment, give me a big thumbs up, share this video everywhere you can. We will see you in the next one.